Hello and welcome to my low-budget microwaving show entitled Microwave Me, in which I microwave things that are too low budget for the other guys to handle because I don't have as much money on hand. Today I'm going to be doing something that's actually a little bit cool. Chestnuts. You need to puncture a small hole in each chestnut, or else they won't go off. If it's too small, then they'll just explode, and that is not what you want if you want to maintain a working microwave. And as always, here is Jennie, the GE dual wave microwave, who is much more of a veteran at microwaving than I am, admittedly. So we're going to put those in and hopefully get a show. If I did it right, it should look like I have a rotating tray in there when I really don't. Okay, the lights are turned off for dramatic effect, and Jennie has been looking forward to microwaving these chestnuts as much as I have, so it's likely we'll see an exciting show. 1:40. Do the time. That's too much. I'll just do a minute. Unfortunately, this batch of chestnuts did not give much of a show, which is unfortunate, because this is the experiment I had been most looking forward to. However, the problem may lie in the fact that these are not the usual chestnuts that I get from my yard. These are the larger store-bought kind, so I may have to help them out a bit. Everyone knows that what makes chestnuts go off is the steam escaping from the inside of them. So I'm going to run a little bit of water over them, kind of help them along, so to speak. I'm taking a little water. This time I'm not going to chicken out. I'm going to do 2 minutes, or whatever the timer display says. There we go. Now we're ready to try again. There we go. we now have some performance-enhanced chestnuts. Now, Jennie says we should put them in for 1 minute and 47 seconds. I'm not going to disagree this time. As I said, she's the microwaving veteran here. Okay, now. Unfortunately, your amateur microwave operator proved why he's an amateur and believes that he may have gave these chestnuts a bit too much of a performance-enhancing drug in the form of water. So let this be your lesson, kids. Never do steroids or your nuts will explode and become shriveled like these nuts. So, what's the final verdict on microwaving performance-enhanced chestnuts? Normally, microwaving chestnuts would be a good idea, as they'd spin around and around and around, but microwaving performance-enhanced chestnuts turned out to be a bad idea. Look at that mess that needs cleaned up. Now try to tell me that's a good idea.